Welcome. In this video I will show you how to use all the modes of your HP SPECTRE x360 laptop. So this device basically has two modes, which are the PC or the laptop and the tablet modes. Of course, we can also expand this list by the tent mode, which you can use separately from tablet mode, and it's all thanks to this device being foldable or unfoldable rather. If you are using the PC mode, then you use it just like you would do with any other regular laptop. You just use your touchpad and your keyboard, and you can also additionally use the touch screen of your laptop. It should also be active in this mode, though lacking some features that are only available in the tablet mode. And to switch it to tablet mode, you just have to flip the screen of your device back, either to make it look like a tent if you are planning to, for example, watch some movies on it, or just folding it fully. Basically, the environment you'll find yourself in will be pretty much the same for any unfolding method. And once you do that, your keyboard will and your touchpad will stop working, and instead you're gonna have to fully rely on the touchscreen of your device. And now thanks to the user-friendly environment, we can use all the gestures that we could use on our touchpad on our touch screen. So for example, you can swipe up with one finger to open the start menu, and then swipe down to swipe it down. Then we can also swipe up with three fingers to open the virtual desktops menu, and we can quickly switch between virtual desktops by dragging four fingers along the screen. Now we can also use zooming in and zooming out simply by okay, I have to open an environment where we can do that. For example, a web browser. And yeah, as you can see, we can easily pinch out and pinch in to zoom, and we can hold the finger down on the screen in order to perform the right click feature. And yeah, as I said, you can use this device as a laptop, and you can also make a tent out of it to watch some movies, and then just fold it inwards like this, and it will automatically switch back to the PC mode. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.